This is going terribly. Not sure what I was saying, but I'll just restart that whole thing over again, I guess. I got the Rainbow Titanium Flat Iron by Conair. That I guess they're going to be like relaunching at Target or something like that. I got it from Influenster. Kind of wish that I would have got the curling iron because I already have one of their flat irons in blue. Yeah, it's blue. And it's the Infinity Pro as well. I'm not sure what makes this one special or different. Looks like the buttons are a little bit different and some of the settings are a little bit different. So I'm going to do my hair. Instruction manual. Yes. Are you helping me tell them about it? Pull it out, pull it out, pull it out. Oh, pull it out, pull it out. This one I checked online retails for $49.99. And the other one that I got was $29. The first thing that I noticed right off the bat is it doesn't come with the stand. The other one that I have came with like a stand that you could stick it in while it's hot. It's got a plus and a minus for the heat settings. It says it has a gentle setting and then the on-off switch. I like the plates, but I got sent this for free. So that's pretty awesome. So I'm not really going to complain about it, honestly. I have 2 straighteners. Probably going to start like a count in the corner of how many times I have to pick up the duck. So plugged it in. Let's turn it on. I plugged it in. Oh, I'm dumb. Okay, almost thought that it didn't work. I was about to be like, is this a joke? You have to hold down the on-off button to turn it on. That's getting pretty hot. It heats up to 455 degrees. Eliminates frizz. It's got a gentle heat setting, which instantly reduces heat to minimize damage. Got 12 settings. 30-second heat up and auto off. Yeah, it's still making that weird like buzzing sound. Says it's heated up already. Okay, that's quick. I'm gonna brush my hair out. I always separate my hair out because I have thick hair. You ready for nap time, huh? Yeah, maybe. You're not sure. He's fighting sleep a little bit. That's why I have him in here with me. Because if I leave him in the crib, he's just gonna cry. I don't. Just rather have him right here. Oh, yeah. Rub in the face. Getting sleepy. So sleepy. Don't go to sleep. Don't go to sleep. Don't do it. Yeah, my other straightener doesn't make that noise. So that worries me a little bit. I'm going to take the Chi Iron Guard Styling Spray. Just a little bit of it. Okay, I tried to put him down for nap. We'll see if he actually goes to sleep. Let's see how it does on the first pass if we try and straighten it. That's alright. Now I use my other straightener to curl my hair all the time because I just like the way it looks and how it comes out. So let's see if we can do that. Take a little piece. Oh, that's hot. Yeah, that's pretty. The end of that gets hot. There's like no guard to it either. Okay, this is what the other Conair Infinity Pro looks like. Just got the silver top, it's blue. Got the buttons on the side and then the little window where it shows you that it's on and it's heating up. And this is the guard that I was talking about. So you just take the straightener and you stick it like straight in there. Which I guess that, I mean, it fits in there. But I feel like for 50 bucks it should come with one. I can zoom you out more. And then you can see my mess. Oh well, whatever. Okay, this is what it looks like so far. Clip it back and do the rest. I'd like to also note that I'm not a professional hairstylist. I just got sent this because I review things on Influenster, and I guess they decided that I could review a hair tool, which is fine with me. I've actually gotten a couple really cool boxes from them. One had, I got a Clinique blackhead scrubbing cleanser, which I really like and will repurchase. They're called box boxes, by the way. This is it curled. I'm gonna brush it out with my fingers. Excuse all my hair falling out. Post baby things. Do I think that it did a better job than my other straightener? I mean, not really. My hair's pretty smooth, but I try and take decent care of my hair anyways because it's so long. I like it. I feel like it looks like normal. It's cute. The rainbow plating is cool. It doesn't snag your hair like some straighteners. The plates, I don't feel like they would rub off or anything. This part, like this part where the straightener is like really hot. And it's only at 430. And my other one has like where you can pinch it together with your fingers and this part doesn't get hot. So I kind of wish that this one had that. Just dropping everything. Well, I guess you... Nope, no, you can't do that because your finger's going to slip off like mine just did. So this is not really grip worthy in my opinion. This is a true test right here. Like if it can do a good job on the bangs, it might be worth it. Okay, let's pass over them for a like 5th time. Not really the straightener's fault. My bangs are kind of acting up today. Go figure. And the clicking stopped when you turned it off. I guess they look alright-ish. Oh yeah, that's my hair. It looks okay. Don't look any more special or interesting than normal. I guess, do I think it's worth it? Do I think it's worth $50? No, I don't think so. This one, like I said, was only $30, and I can do all the same things. It does come with the stand. The heat settings are pretty much the same, and it has an auto off. I think the only extra feature on this one is like the gentle feature, but I don't know that I would ever really use that, to be honest. Plus, I don't ever heat this one up to the hottest it can go because it is just really damaging to your hair. So, honestly, I would just go with this one. That's my opinion. My bangs are being stupid still. Not sure why this is $50. I mean, if they put the stand in there and then fixed this part right here, then maybe it'd be worth $50. Probably $40. I would pay $40 for it if it came with the stand and they fixed this, because it's got like, it's just really sleek looking, and this part is digital. I mean, I'm really glad I got it. I'm grateful that they sent it to me for free, that I didn't have to pay for it, but I'll probably just stick with this one. Thanks, Influenster, for sending me this straightener for free. I really appreciate it. I think that's about it. Did it do a good job of curling my hair? I don't know. You tell me. What do you think? Anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, you're welcome to. The button is over here. The button is over here. I just got really confused because you're looking at a viewfinder and I see myself, but then I'm trying to think about how it would come off. So I would be facing out and then it's over here. You know what? Just unsubscribe. That'd be fine too. Because I don't know what I'm doing. Bye. Where did the duck go? Did you throw it? You did, didn't you? You did. Yeah, you did. We're gonna throw it, thanks now. Woo! Okay, I just touched my leg with it. Yep, I burned this snot out of myself. Don't do that. And I'm just throwing a straightener around. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. I don't know what to do with my hand either.